winter fall outfits. So I have 4 outfits that I'm excited to wear. One I've kind of worn, but we altered it. And the others we're just lusting over. It's like not 90 today, so yeah, I don't know. I feel like every video is me complaining that it's hot in Dallas still, but let's keep it rolling. I have some really cute outfits. I'm excited to share them. If you see my tongue, blue, just know that I stole some of Arlo's Warhead candies and they were delicious. The kid loves sour gummies, which is so good. Then they're like these special like galaxy ones. They're not like the actual hard candies, but he likes those as well. Which me, I like sour candies, but that is like too much for me. I used to soak them in water before eating them to get rid of all the sour because I'm a baby. All right, I'm gonna start with leather pants. Are leather pants still a thing this year? I love these chocolate brown ones. So let's pop them on and we're gonna do a denim leather outfit and I'm really looking forward to it. So these are slightly cropped, but I think they're gonna work because I wanna wear them with sneakers. So I like that look. So we got the leather pants on. And then I'm gonna put it on with this little new denim shirt. I just did a huge, completely crazy, maybe a haul for my son, but I picked up this while I was there. So I now own both the colors, and there's a black one and a white one. I don't own them, but I own the lighter one now and the darker one. So let's pop this guy on. We'll accessorize. Did Mr. Scout's still gonna always be part of the videos, aren't you? Yeah, always gonna be part, huh? He is literally my favorite person in the whole world. So the medium wash one or the darker wash one, whatever you want to call it, I had that in a size medium. This one I decided to go with a small because I still felt like it was large enough and I didn't want it to be like insanely oversized. But I am gonna put on my little NAKD belt with it and see what I think of that. But do a little tuck situation. Ooh yeah, this goes well with the jeans. Scatter powder, it's now for you guys. So we went to a friend's lake house this weekend and brought Scout in for his fall. He loves the lake. He's a big fan of it. He kept like splashing around in the water and then like barking and biting at his splashes, but it was really cute. And he swam around a little bit, but he was just like always in the water. And he did so well off a leash because it's like in the middle of nowhere. So he was just kind of off the leash and like hanging around us, and he did so good. There were 4-wheelers and ATVs and stuff, and he just did, like I was just so proud of him, and I felt like he was the least anxious he's ever been, which, you know, is really good. So we're working on just, you know, adjusting, and I think he's been doing really freaking well. So I think this Halloween, I found Arlo's gonna be Bumblebee for Halloween this year, and I found like a how do I want this? I know I want this open. I found like what do I want to call it? Like a template for making his like costume thing. And since I can't be it, it's gonna be like our first year not doing a family costume. But I think I'm gonna do a costume with Scout. I think I'm gonna make Scout a cow and I'm gonna be a farmer, but I haven't quite decided. So this is how this turned out. I think this is cute. Let's put sneakers on though. I'm gonna put on my, excuse me, Cowder. Excuse me, Scout. I'm gonna put on my little sneakies. I don't know if it's gonna work. He thinks, move, Scouter. Whenever I read a book to Arlo, or like I'm on the floor like doing Arlo's shoes or whatever, Scout has to like come over and sit right on top of us, like too. He just doesn't understand that he's 50 pounds and he's not human, but you know, that's okay, huh? That's okay. He says, I am human actually, lady. Isn't it crazy how fast dogs just like adjust? Like he's been in like a foster, or not a foster, he's been in a dog kennel for his whole life, and now he's just like living his best life here with like no issues. I think this turned out really cute, honestly. I love the denim with the chocolate leather. Cute, what do we think? I love this. Such a huge fan of this. And I like that the belt adds like a detail, but it's like the same color as the pants, so it just like seamlessly matches. And let's throw on a fragrance, and let's give a shout out to today's sponsor, which is Dossier. You guys know I am in love with Dossier, and I wanted to talk to you about my 3 favorites that I'm going to be living in all fall long. So we've got 3 here, and then we'll decide which fragrance I want to wear. So the first one is this Woody Sandalwood, which is a replica of Le Labo 33 Santal 33? Yeah. Oh my god. So if you haven't heard of Dossier, their fragrances start at $39, and they replicate luxury high-end fragrances that are like 3, 5, whatever ridiculous amounts of price that you pay for that like luxury name. This one's really good. I will say though, Scott says when I wear this I smell like a hamster cage, but I don't care. I'm obsessed with it. I love sandalwood so much. I think it's so sexy and seductive. And I love that Dossier gives me this fragrance at a fraction of the cost, because there's no way I would be paying full price. I never do now. The next one is their Ambery Vetiver, which is a replica. I don't even know how to say this name. It's by Rado Bal Afrique. Oh, it smells so good. I love that it's like rich and deep, but it has some fruity notes of orange blossom and lemon. It's so good. And then my last one is one of theirs that they actually created themselves, so it's a Dossier original. It's from their Speak Easy collection. It's their Golden Rum and Amber. Oh my god, this literally smells incredible. It smells like a mixed drink. I'm obsessed. We're gonna wear this today. So again, if you haven't heard of Dossier, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you're bound to find a fragrance that you will love. And if you don't, like if you buy your replica of your favorite fragrance, or even if you're trying to find a new fragrance, you can get your money back. So you can find a new fragrance that you love. I love that they do bundle deals as well. So if you buy 3, you'll typically get like a group discount, but their fragrances are so affordable. I'm not kidding you. If I find a fragrance that I like that's like the luxury high-end brand, I always look at Dossier, and I will never buy a luxury fragrance again if Dossier sells it. I wish there was a section though that Dossier was like, give us your suggestions because I need more. But Dossier is constantly dropping new ones. So they do men's, they do women's, and they do unisex fragrances. So check out Dossier. I will have all the links in the description box down below, as well as my 3 favorites. But we did go with the Golden Rum and Amber. It smells so good. Check them out, all the details in the description box down below. Big shout out again to Dossier for partnering with me on today's video. You guys know my obsession runs so deep, and I'm going to be living in these 3 fragrances and some more, but these are my top 3 that I can't wait to wear all fall long. All right, let's move on to look number 2. So this is a look that I wore this weekend, but it was hot as heck. Which was overalls, okay? But I want to show you a way that I would have dressed it for fall had it been a wee bit chillier. So let's do that. So I recently got these boots that I'm so excited to style with overalls. I think they're gonna look so cute. So let's put on our overalls and a white tank, and then we'll accessorize. Overalls, we had a birthday party from school that we went to, so I wore these to the park, and these are like perfect for the park. And then went to the lake right after, and I had to change because it got hot, but I love these overalls so much. So let's pop these on. And I'm gonna need some socks because I'm gonna put on boots. So let's put these socks on as well. Okay, so I wore a different tank with this, but this is honestly the tank I was looking for. I think it was just dirty at the time, but whatever. So I'm a fan of the one-strapped overalls. They're just so good, okay? Okay, now these boots. I got these boots from REI. I've been wanting them because I wanted like a cute like fall boot that I could like throw on but also get like muddy and dirty and just like whatever. So I got these Blundstone boots, and I think they're quite cute. They're kind of like a little Chelsea boot, but apparently everyone who wears them loves them. So, I posted a vlog that went live, and I like did my shopping trip, but I thought these were just so cute, and I thought these would be great for camping, for, yeah, really just like anything kind of outdoorsy situation. They're tight at first, but the guy at REI told me they will like loosen as I wear them. And I got the rustic brown, I think is what it's called. So this is how I would have loved to style them. Like I love the little tab. They very much give, what do I want to call it? Doc Martens. Okay, but if it was fall, if it wasn't like so hot, I wore it with sneakers also because it was so hot, I would throw on my chore jacket that I got from Abercrombie, from my recent Abercrombie haul, which I'll throw in the clogs. I ended up returning my old navy one because I liked this one better and I felt like they were similar. But this is how I would wear this. And I love it. I think this is so cute. Adorable, just very like comfy, get stuff done kind of girl. I'm kind of here for it. But I love this chore jacket so much. This is a men's, but I think it looks really cute. So this is the look. Very like camping, outdoorsy type of girl. I'm here for it. So definitely not like a classic running around town kind of look, but so cute. All right, let's move on to look number 3. So look number 3, we're gonna throw on my favorite Levi's, which I haven't worn in a hot minute, and I wore them the other day in like I think my Pinterest styling outfit video, and y'all went gaga over them. Even though I've worn them a million times before, but I feel like every time I bring them out, it's like a resurgence of like, these are great jeans. Oh, and they are. So let's throw those on and a white tee. Let's swap this for a white tee and we'll build and accessorize. Anyone else live in a neighborhood where they just feel like somebody is always mowing their lawn? Because same. In the Alani last night when I was folding all of my Hanes white tees, because I started folding them instead of hanging them because I have so many. I was like, you know, no big deal, just casually like air folding some clearance right now because we both worked at Abercrombie. And it was like very much giving clearance because you used to fold clearance in light colors and you used to air fold clearance and not board fold. If you know, you know. Anyway, itchy on my foot. I got bit by a freaking fire ant on the same foot that I dropped my grate on. And then if you watch my vlog, I ran over my other big toe, the shopping cart. I've fallen apart with my toes. But you know when you get bit by a fire ant and it's like it looks like a pimple almost on your foot, but it itches like crazy. It's ridiculous. Okay. Anyway, I feel like my eyebrows are falling down everywhere. You guys, I have got to, just in time for summer, right? Or for fall, I need to get a new vent so that I can leave the air on in here because it is so hot. But I hate like the noise of the vent, so I suck it up for you guys. Anyway, we just have a white tee, and then my little sweater from my recent Quince haul, which is so good. I'm obsessed. And I'm gonna throw it on with my loafers. I loved my loafers with these pants the other day when I styled them, and I knew I wanted to do it again for like just like a cozy, like lived-in kind of look. And I realized that I have a belt that perfectly matches my loafers, which is my Cezanne belt. So let's pop that on. Something just ran into my window. Give it a good top. I want to be able to see the belt to tie in with the shoes. So cute. So good. This is just such a basic but like awesome outfit. I'm pretty much obsessed. I want to wear this for the rest of the day, but it's not that hot, so I could, but I'll still be sweating balls, let's be real. I have to go to Target to get all of Arlo's school supplies because he got into a pre-K elementary school program, which I'm so excited about, but I need to go buy all the supplies. And y'all weren't joking when you said it's stupid expensive because like I'm gonna spend like $100-something on school supplies when I just spent all that, more than that, on his uniforms. Anyway, it's gonna be so cute to see him in like a little polo every day. Anyway, this is the third look and I am loving it. I love these loafers. They're just so cute. They're like the perfect way to like hop on the loafer trend without it being like a full loafer. You know what I mean? A full loafer. Anyway, let's move on to my fourth and final outfit, which I'm excited about. Oh, get off my foot. I'm going to pop on my darkest wash jeans from H&M that I've recently also picked up. I mean, not that recent. Recent-ish. So we're gonna pop those on, and I'm also gonna put on my Everlane little Oxford, my boxy Oxford that I break out all the time. It's my favorite shirt I think that Everlane's ever done. I've paired these with clogs though, and they're kind of long, so we're gonna see how I like it with that. I'm buying a lot of pants that are very long. I think that's coming to be the trend, and I don't wear heels, so it's kind of an issue for me. So let's pop on our clogs and see if this works. Okay, it's giving when I worked at Hollister in high school. Sorry, scalp. I feel like in high school, all of our pants had to like touch the ground and drag on the ground. Our poor parents. Also, when I was editing the last video that I wore this in, I think it was one of my outfits videos, I realized that I left the tag on, and the amount of times that I do that is kind of embarrassing, and I actually wore that out of the house with the tag on, so that's cute. I need to know though, are you a girl that leaves your tags on until you wear it? Like, wash it? I don't wear it? Or are you a girl that like rips it off as soon as you decide it's staying in your closet? Because I don't always do that. Sometimes I leave my tags on. But I should have ironed this. It's looking a little dingy, but it's fine. I'm gonna unhook these. Macrame Man is getting closer, so we are limited with time. I'm going to give this a front tuck. I love that I can just tuck the front of this shirt because it's got like these kind of really large slits in the side that make it just easy to do so. And then I'm going to put on my little suede belt that I also got from Abercrombie because I think it'll match with my suede clogs. I don't know. Do you ever like wonder what we did without belts before? Like, because they've become such a way to just like change up a whole look of an outfit, and we like stopped wearing belts for so long as a society. Maybe not everybody, but like a lot of people did. Like we didn't wear fashion belts like we used to. Oh, I'm getting stuck. There we go. Cute. You know what else I saw? Like a belt hack, if you have like a really long this thing, to use a clear elastic to like keep it down, and I'm like, that's genius. Okay, next. You didn't think this was gonna be an outfits video without a shoulder sweater, did you? Because it's not. It's not a Kelly outfits video without a sweater over the shoulders. So, I love this. I love the dark pants with the lighter accessories. The sweater, I feel like, ties in the pants, or you don't have to do the sweater. It's completely optional. All right, that is my fourth and final outfit. And I think I like this one the best. And it's good because I'm staying in this without the sweater because that part's too hot for right now. But this is what I'm gonna wear for the rest of the day while I run my Target errands and go get stuff to make dinner. I'm making a spaghetti squash. So excited. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, I'd love to know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. And big shout out again to Dossier for partnering with me on today's video. And if you have not checked out Dossier, I don't know how I haven't convinced you, because I literally like wholeheartedly die on the hill that I will never buy a fragrance if Dossier sells it full price. So anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.